Here's the news of the day. Avincis secured a 5-year, €305 million contract with Spain's Maritime Safety and Rescue Society to continue providing 24/7 search and rescue services along the Spanish coastline. Vertical Aviation International and Enrolling congratulate 6 operators for joining the Operational Risk and Resilience Accreditation program, improving risk management and operational safety. Copter Safety released the documentary From the Ground Up for World Helicopter Day, gaining over 23,000 views and highlighting the importance of safety in the rotor industry. Vertigo Aero secured over $4 million in funding to accelerate development of its VH4T hybrid electric power plant, with plans for FAA certification and Series B funding in 2025. Splitwaters plans to develop multiple ESAF production sites in the U.S., using modular electrolyzers and Topsoe's technology to streamline processes and cut costs by up to 30%. Topsoe's Herning facility enters the installation phase, combining years of innovation into a key sustainable technology hub, fueling the team's motivation and excitement. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.